Good morning, all. Now we are going to see about NetBeans. Okay, how we are going to run a server programming in NetBeans. So for that, we need to create. While we are creating a new project, we need to open a NetBeans. Okay. After that, you are going for a file. In that file, you are going to open a new project. In that new project, you need to select a Java Web. Inside this, in this one categories, you need to select a Java Web. In a project, you need to select a web application. Okay. After that, you are going next here. Here you are just giving a project name. Okay, so whatever project you are need to have, you will giving as a project name here. Okay, just here and then giving next. So here server name should be a class for server 4.1.1. So you need to give just next alone. No need to select anything here. Okay. So here we are not using any framework, so no need to select any frameworks. Just giving finish. Okay. So once you done with this one, your index.html file will be opened here. Okay. So this is the default one. Codings will be opened here. You will have a text here. Okay. So this is just if you open this one web pages, in this one web inf you have an index.html file. Okay. So other these are the default files. Okay. So now we need to create a servlet program. So for that you need to select the web page, right click, new. In that one you need to select the servlet here. Here you need to give a servlet name. I just leave as a new servlet itself. Okay. If you want you can change the name of a class name. Okay, then give a next here. Okay. So I just give us add information to deployment. That is, I need a web.xml. So I just give us okay, and then giving finish. So that our web XML file get opened here. Okay. So created here. Same way, your new servlet Java program will be created and it will be under a source packages here. Okay. So these are all the default code which will be already available. Okay. So this is a XML file. So XML file will have a content dot to run that particular servlet. We need to have this is a XML file. So we create a XML servlet name will be new servlet, class name also new servlet. You're mapping all this one in the new servlet. Okay. So the session timing mode will be 30 seconds. So it's the default timing here. So this is the content about the servlet here. Okay. So as I already said, so if you don't need, you just remove a connect so that you can easily know this here. Okay, here body part alone you need to change here. Okay, so I just going to give a username here to create an input file tag. For that I just giving a form tag. Okay, form action I am going to give while submitting that particular form. I need to call a new servlet. New serve. Okay. Change. So then in this one I just creating a name alone. Okay. Colon. So use the input tag. Input type equal to text. Text and then name of the text will be I just giving user here. And then there is no closing tag, so I just go page one. Okay. So I just create one button here, that is using input tag. Input type is equal to submit value. So the button name should be login. Okay. It is greater here. Okay. I need to close the particular form. So this is as usual same HTML for document already. Okay. Just after that we need to just save this one. Okay. In new servlet, what we so here we're just connecting during while submitting the particular form, you need to connect a new servlet here. Okay, if you're running this one, so that it will build for build and compile and run, it will take some time. Okay. Here I didn't do any changes in this servlet program. I just created our HTML document. Just do some changes in HTML document alone. Okay. So like that, whatever lines we need to be coming for our body part, and can go. Okay. Since it's a form, I just giving this here. So the name, this with the login will be coming here. Okay. Okay. So I didn't connect this login with the servlet, right? So I didn't do anything here. Okay. Now we are going for a new servlet. So as I said, to be more clear, I just delete all the command tag alone here. I also delete all the I put the try inside the try. They are going to delete here. There is no need to delete, but for your clear view, I just deleting and explaining the content here. Okay. So here, as I already explained you, these are the import files we need to revision, which already we seen in our these are all the packages we need to included for our servlet program. So that is IO exception, IO print writer to print, servlet exception to handle servlet exceptions, and servlet.http servlet. In that one, we need to give a request and response. These are the packages we need to include it here. After that, need to create a class here. Okay, class with the class name, new servlet. It need to extend with the HTTP servlet here. Inside, I need to create a method here, so that will be processed request. In that method, two objects need to be same. One will be a request, another will be a so we need to give a method name. We will have a two objects need to be done. One will be request object, another will be response object. After that, you need to throw on exceptions. One will be servlet exception, another will be IO exception. Okay. So then we need to give a response content type. So response.set content type. In this one, text class HTML. This one. So inside the try, I just given a print writer out is equal to response.get writer here. Okay. So here for to catch expressions, I just using a try. If you know it, these are all the codings you need to type. So but in NetBeans, it will all will come in default here. Okay. So here you need to get using get parameter. You need to get the value here. So I just using a string name. I just giving as a username here. Okay. Whatever name you need, it is just given the here document dot copying this one request. Typing I just copy paste here. Okay. So request dot get parameter. Here we just giving as a user, right? User here. Okay. After that, we getting the name of a user here, and it's saved in the username variable username here. Okay. After that, we need to use a out dot write, right? So in that with that also I just copy from here. So out dot write hello. I just give a username here and then close this one. Okay. So this is the statement which I'm going to get the username. I'm going to print the username here. So here for your program will be date and time. You need to get the date and time of current date and time from the system, and you need to print here. Okay. So using HTML. Okay. In HTML, what you need to do, you will be using use up some button here. Okay, once I click the particular button, the servlet program will be called. So in that servlet program, you need to get a date, current date and time, and you need to print here. Okay, so try to save all this one. Now I'm going to run this one. Here we will give some H. That's giving login here. Allow certificates will be displayed here. Okay, so likewise, if you have creating some statement and button here, once you're clicking the button, for example, current date and time will be the button name. Once I clicking the button name, your current date and time need to be displayed here. This is your lab program. Okay, so completed. If you have any doubts, call me. Thank you.